with the Heroes Parade of Filipino Olympians. The father of Golden Boy Carlos Yulo was among those who cheered for his son and other athletes. Here's the report.
When the Heroes Parade of Filipino Olympians reached Rojas Boulevard, there was this man with a banner and could be seen cheering for Carlos Yulo. That's the father of the country's first ever two-time Olympic gold medalist. From his float, Kaloy was seen saluting his father, Mark Andrew Yulo. Following the parade, the Golden Boy shared a picture of his dad on social media. He thanked his father for the support and apologized for not being able to give much attention. Kaloy says he will meet him soon. The parade started from the Aliu Theater in Pasay City on Wednesday afternoon. Roads leading to the Rizal Memorial Sports Complex were filled with supporters. The parade was led by Yulo and bronze medalist Ira Villegas and Nesty Petesio. They were joined by fellow Olympians Giovanni Delgaco, Lauren Hoffman, John Cabang Tolentino, Elrin Aldo, as well as Kyla Sanchez, Jared Hatch, Hergy Bacyadan, and Carlo Paalam.
Okay, so yesterday, nung nakita nga natin yung video at saka photos na kumalat nga na nakita natin sa crowd, yung kanyang tatay na merong banner na nakalagay na Kaloy dito papa mo. Talagang marami sa atin na naantig ang puso. So ako napaiyak talaga ako, ayan. Oh, napaiyak talaga ako. Lumuha talaga ako kahapon nung nakita ko yan. Nakita ko talaga na parang sabik na sabik siya na makita yung anak niya.
Naiintindihan ko yan because being a father also, you know naman, you're always proud of yung accomplishments ng son mo.
Because nakita mo sila talagang happy-happy lang sila.
Kasi for a dad, parang a dad kasi, extension ng pagkalalaki niya is the son. Although the dad will always love all the kids, pati yung daughters, pero extension niya kasi is his son. So,
nakakatuwa. Ano yung parang ano ba siya? Tawag ito, binuhat pa siya yata ng mga kasama niya para mas makita siya lalo.
Tumungtong sila sa sidewalk para may elevation, tapos binuhat pa siya ng crowd para mapansin ni Kaloy.
Oo. So talagang tumulo yung luha ko dyan. Talagang damang-dama ko yung pagkasabik niya at talaga yung pagka-proud niya sa kanyang anak niya. Tapos after niya, nag-post si Carlos Yulo sa kanyang Facebook account at sinabi at pinakita nga niya yung picture na yan na yung tatay niya nasa crowd at ang sabi niya ay makikita daw sila soon ng kanyang tatay. Hindi daw niya nakawayan na ng maayos at napagod din kamay niya sa mga autograph na sinainan niya.
Masanay na siya because that's the way, ganun talaga.
Oo, marami talaga dahil ano na siya ngayon celebrity na kumbaga.
From athlete to celebrity.
Yes.
Okay,
tapos kahapon din yung mga cash incentives, pinakita, yung mga tawag dito, yung kanyang pagbisita, pag-turnover sa kanya nung kanyang 3-bedroom unit na condo sa BGC.
Okay, Carlos Yulo will visit the Signal office at 11 a.m. So mamaya yan, that is today, he's going to visit us and the reason for that is because meron din siyang one-on-one interview with our kapatid dito sa Signal family with Cheryl Cosim.
Of course. Tapos mamaya din yung mauuna siya dun sa welcoming committee dito sa baba, sa TV5, of course with the ating CEO, President, si MVP. Diba?
Ano ito ba si MVP?
Hindi ko lang alam kung nandito siya, pero kasi diba bibigyan din siya ng
may prize siya. May premyo siya. Daming premyo ni Kaloy.
Pero sana makadalaw siya, no? Pero marami siyang gagawin today.
It's interesting to see, kung ano yung gagawin niya sa pera niya. Kasi si Hidilyn, nagtayo ng school. Magtatayo ba siya ng Carlos Yulo School of Gymnastics?
Pwede.
Madami mag-e-enroll
marami
dyan.
na kasi ngayon ang nagkakaroon talaga ng interes sa gymnastics.
Sa mga barangay, may mga pool. Di ba may may parallel bars na. May nag-viral na video, yung mga taga-barangay, nag-ano sila
Kanya-kanya sila.
Hindi, di ba? Yung nagpa-parallel bars na. Okay, let's